What do you get when Tesla's ambition meets Toyota's reliability? But it comes wrapped in a bold, beastly pickup with a Chinese badge? Meet the 2026 BYD Shark, a plug-in hybrid pickup truck that's not just making waves, it's creating a tsunami in the auto world. And no, this isn't just some flashy concept, this thing is real, it's here, and it's gunning straight for the throne. If you thought Chinese automakers were only good at small EVs and budget sedans, buckle up, because BYD just dropped a bombshell that might have Ford and Toyota sweating a little. Let's dive into this electric beast, and trust me, you're going to want to stay till the end. The first thing you notice about the Shark? It doesn't look like it's trying to blend in. It's bold, it's muscular, and honestly, it wouldn't look out of place in a Mad Max movie. Massive LED DRLs slice through the front like shark teeth. Yep, the name really fits. Sculpted lines run down its flanks, giving it that aggressive stance, but it's not all about looks. Aerodynamics? Nailed it. Every curve on this thing has a purpose, and the best part? It looks premium, not plastic fantastic. Think high-end SUV vibes, but with the presence of a full-size truck. Okay, so it looks good, but can it move like a shark? Oh yes. Under the hood, you've got a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with not one but two electric motors, making this a plug-in hybrid with all-wheel drive. Power output: over 430 horsepower and 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. In a truck. And here's the kicker: it has an electric-only range of up to 100 kilometers. That means your daily drive? Pure EV. Your weekend adventure? No problem. The gas engine's got your back. It's built on BYD's DMO platform, which in geek speak means better battery management, smarter torque distribution, and a surprisingly smooth ride for a truck this size. Inside, the Shark really shows its teeth. You're greeted by a massive 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen. Yes, rotating. Portrait or landscape, your choice. Because why not? It's running BYD's latest software, complete with voice commands, real-time updates, and a UI that actually makes sense. Digital instrument cluster? Check. Wireless charging? Apple CarPlay? Android Auto? Double check. And don't even get me started on the DiPilot ADAS suite. This truck can steer, accelerate, and brake, all by itself in traffic. It's like a luxury EV with a bed. But here's where it gets wild. This isn't just a lifestyle pickup, it's ready to work. Towing capacity? Over 2.5 tons. Payload? Around 1,000 kilos. Need to power your tools at a campsite or charge another EV? It's got V2L capability, vehicle to load. Basically, the truck becomes a giant power bank. Oh, and the battery is Blade battery tech. Safer, cooler, and more durable than anything in its class. Who says you can't mix brains and brawn? So let's recap. You've got a bold design, hybrid powertrain with serious muscle, a high-tech cabin, and workhorse capability, all wrapped in a name most people didn't see coming. BYD isn't just entering the pickup game, they're rewriting the rules. And with the Shark priced aggressively in global markets, even the big dogs might need to watch their backs. Because this Shark, it smells blood. So what do you think? Is the 2026 BYD Shark a game changer? Or just another splash in the pond? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, if this video got your gears turning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. This is just the beginning.